Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. Now this particular category is a balcony. It's the most prevalent category here on board and perfect for quite a few of our guests. I'll show you why in just a minute, but keep in mind, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, the Sapphire Princess is a medallion class ship, which means your medallion is going to open your door. It's going to communicate with the staff around the entire ship, who you are, what you love, and really elevate the entire experience. Now let me take you through this beautiful room. Now when you walk in, I did want to point out that this particular one is a connecting balcony. Not all balconies connect. You can see that right on HarTravel.com, but sometimes if you're traveling with family or friends, having connecting balconies where you can double down and have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms makes a huge difference. Now as you walk through the side here, you're going to find a ton of storage space, hanging storage all the way across, shelf for a storage up above that holds quite a bit as well, and then you're also going to have your storage just behind the mirror. You've got a safe, perfect size for passport or a wallet, and tons of shelves. Now you can use that mirror to get ready, and then we'll step into the bathroom. Now it's a decent sized bathroom for an entry-level cabin. You're going to find you have storage up and down here with the shelves, plug for a razor, a little bit of storage on the vanity, and a bit of storage underneath as well. Toilet's tucked just behind. I'll step into the shower. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit just fine in here. You've got your shower head up above. You've got the clothesline that'll pull across, the refillable shower amenities here, and then you've got a shower curtain. I do wish it was a shower door, but once again, you can open that up and get plenty of space. Now as we step into the bedroom proper, you're going to find that you have that princess luxury bed, upgraded linens, mattress, and pillows. It does separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. In that case, they can move the nightstand to the middle to get a little separation of space. You've got plenty of storage underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. You've got nightstands on either side with drawers. Now this ship travels to some really exotic destinations, does short cruises, long cruises, and everything in between. So you'll see lots of places to tuck things away is a great advantage. Now those lamps do have USB chargers on either side so that you can plug your devices in overnight. And then directly across from the bed, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship. Of course, you can watch your favorite television channels, and you can even catch up on your favorite episodes of The Love Boat, the show that started it all for Princess. Now here you'll find that you have your temperature controls, and then as I head further in, you've got storage up above with 2 US plugs. You've got a little bit of storage down below, mini fridge underneath, and then over here you're going to have your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got storage with the drawers, your hair dryer up above, 2 US plugs, and a large mirror to get ready. Now let's check out the balcony. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take in the ever-changing beautiful ocean views. Now when you're ready to book this balcony or book any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your HarTravel advisor. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.